How can I view a hidden WhatsApp status without being seen?
Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to view a WhatsApp status without the person knowing? Today we're diving into just that. By the end of this video, you'll be a WhatsApp ninja, navigating through status updates stealthily. Let's get started.
What is WhatsApp status?
WhatsApp status is a feature that allows you to share text, photos, videos, and GIFs with your contacts. They disappear after 24 hours. By default, when you view someone's status, they can see that you've seen it.
Precautions before viewing a hidden status.
Before we proceed, it's important to note that this method might be seen as intrusive. Please respect the privacy of others. Only use it when absolutely necessary. Turn off your read receipts before checking a status you want to view stealthily. To do this, 1. Open WhatsApp. 2. Click on the three-dot menu icon on the top right corner and go to Settings. 3. In the Settings, navigate to Account. 4. From there, go to Privacy. 5. Scroll down and turn off read receipts. Please remember that by doing this, you also won't be able to see if others have read your messages.
Viewing the hidden status.
Now that we have taken the necessary precautions, we can proceed. 1. Go to the status section on WhatsApp where all the status updates are shown. 2. Find the status you want to view without being noticed. 3. View the status update while your read receipts option is turned off. The other person will not be notified that you have seen their status. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can view a WhatsApp status without the other person knowing. But remember, while this trick is handy, it's always best to respect others' privacy. Use this information responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, stay savvy.